Hello friends, welcome to the Tech with Soft. So today we are going to cover how to install MySQL in Windows. Okay, so I'm telling the steps, please follow. So first we have to open the browser, okay, and then we have to click MySQL download. So MySQL community download. So let me open the first link itself. Here we have to download to general activity MySQL. Yeah, it's MySQL community download only, right? So you have to go to this site, okay. Dev MySQL download installer, and then you have to download. You have two options here, right? One is MSI installer, and one is having a 2.1 MB and 353 MB, 0.7 MB, and 8.0.42 version is there, right? So you have to click on the second one, and then you have to click on no thanks, just to start my download. That's it. It's like downloading has completed. So just click on yes here. Okay. So it is started installing. Yeah, click on yes. Yeah, so here we do get first window for the MySQL installer. So we have a lot of option, right? Server only, client only, full. So I want custom, so click on the custom first and go to the next, and then here we have to pick what we want to install. So here we have three things which we need to install. First you have to go to the MySQL server, okay, and click on this MySQL server installer, just drag and drop. And application, we have two things. One is a Workbench, okay, and next one is a cell. That all we have to pick, right? So from MySQL server we pick MySQL server, and from the application we picked MySQL Workbench, and MySQL cell I pick MySQL cell. That's it. Okay, we just drag and drop. We just click on this up arrow, it is automatically shifted from left to right. Right, next. Yeah, execute. So it is started installing. Yeah, let's agree. So installed successfully. Now go to the next, okay, and then execute. Okay, so port 3306, we don't have to change this. On that MySQL will run, MySQL server will run, okay, and export port 33060, that also nothing we are going to change. Keep as it is everything. Okay, now click on next, and then here is asking authentication method. So authentication method is we have to give a password. Okay, so strong authentication. Okay, click on next, then here we have to give any password, right? So I'm giving my password. You can give any password that could be strong. Okay, for me it's showing big because just I've given the root only, right? So you can give any password, and this password you have to remember it. If you will forget this password, your MySQL will not work, right? So this password is mandatory, you have to keep it in your mind, or if you have given the password, please note it down on some place. Okay, then click on next. So here we have root user, right? So root user will be the admin only, so that admin password and admin username we both are given here. Then click on next. So here we are giving, yeah, configuring, yeah, next, and then click on execute. Now that it has finished, click on finish now. Yeah, then again product configuration, next, and then finish. So that means MySQL installed successfully. So both has open. Okay, so whenever you will work on MySQL, right, we have two things. One is a terminal like command line, and second one is this UI. Okay, so both can be used for them. So let's start with the UI first, and then I will tell you how to use uh, shell also. So that is called Workbench, right? MySQL Workbench. So just click on it. See here, before starting that, it is asking the password, right? So I given the password, same I will use here. So this time it has login. Okay, so right now you are not able to see anything here, right? Because we are login first time only, right? So what we have to do here, you can see we have two things, administrator and a schema. So here we are in administrator only, where it is saying kind of management, instance, performance, something like that, right? But we have to go to this schema only. So when you will come to the schema, one database will be by default there, right? So if you want to create your own database, then we have a command, create database. Let's say it is training or MyDB, something like that. Okay, like MyDB. Create database MyDB. You have to just select it and click on this execute one. So that database is created. You have to refresh it. So that time your database is created. So that way you can deal, okay, or you can use, right? And then we can create table also, right? Anything on the shell once again. MySQL command line tool. Okay, so we have to open this one only. That was a different things. Okay, so you have to whenever you want to start this shell one, right? So first you have to search here MySQL. Okay, that is a command line tool. Okay, and you have to write your password root. So you will log in on this one only here. Okay, then we have to check how many databases you have. So database, right? Databases. So yeah, that command is show databases, right? So we have a like MySQL DB system, something like that, right? So that MyDB, the database which I created just now only, right? And then we can do whatever we want here, create table, insert record, right? And yeah, so in this we have seen like how to install MySQL, right, with the shell and Workbench, right? So thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Thank you, take care.